insults and abuses for the sake of the stability of the nation, the peaceful coexistence of Kenyans, and the dignity of Kenya's presidency. I personally thank Uhuru for choosing to fly high when they have hit an extreme low. I call for respect of retired leaders, not because Uhuru is with us in Azimio. I say it because it is what I believe in. It is what civilized people should do and believe. It is what happens in civilized nations. Kenyans will recall that when NAC took power in 2002 and excited cabinet ministers paid for the blood of the then retired President Daniel Arap Moi, I said no. I said no to the intended frustration of a man who had held various leadership positions right from before independence, ending up as our president for 24 years. As I said when we launched Azimio in Nakuru on 16th of August 2021, we must cleanse this land of the spirit of anger and bitterness, revenge and entitlement that the presidency continues to ooze. We must also build electoral systems that are resilient, transparent, accountable, and respect the wishes of the voters as expressed at the ballot. We believe that when leaders and governments lack popular support, as is presently the case, accountability, empathy, democracy, and good governance cannot be expected, and the nation cannot move forward. This is the tragedy that afflicts this country today. It is the reason enough for that well-known primitive